On Tuesday, the US released its job openings data for May. This figure surpassed the forecast value. Undoubtedly, this report will somehow influence the course of today's trading during the Asian session. How exactly? Let's discuss it. Despite the continuing unemployment, the US labor market is experiencing a shortage of workers. This also confirms the growth of reduction in various areas, which indicates an improvement in the US economy. The US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, has fallen almost non-stop since early April. Yet, it has stabilized over the past week despite a weaker than expected Nonfarm Payrolls report. Perhaps the US dollar will finally break out of the downward movement. Today, it's trading at 90.10, namely within the previously predicted range. However, the US dollar is now flat as investors are awaiting the US inflation data, which is due on Thursday afternoon. Until then, the US dollar is likely to remain in the narrow range of 90.00 to 90.30. At the same time, the US dollar is attempting to rise higher against the yen. However, it's currently unable to develop a rapid rally, so the dollar-yen pair may fall to reach the target level of 110.47. The reason for this is the shaky state of the stock market. Yesterday, the Dow Jones fell by 0.09% and Nikkei lost almost 0.22%. If the quote consolidates below the level of 109.20, it may well approach the next target of 108.35, which is the low of May 7. Perhaps the decline will follow after a short rebound. Factor it in when opening new positions. Now, let's move on the AUD-USD pair. The Australian dollar fell by 14 pips yesterday, returning to the previously indicated support level. Today, it's trading below this level, which generally indicates the continuation of a downward movement. Yet, everything may change as tomorrow the European Central Bank will hold a meeting. Analysts believe that the euro is likely to climb following the results of the meeting. This means that the next target for the pair are the levels of 0.7641 and 0.7565. The producer price indexes in China rose slightly, as did consumer prices. The fluctuations are insignificant and they are unlikely to somehow affect the Australian economy, one of the main suppliers of raw materials to China. And that's all for now. Do not miss our video reviews and stay up to date with the latest events in financial markets. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.